The zodiac forecasts provided by Plus One News are based on general astrological interpretations. These insights are meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Personal experiences may vary. We do not claim any scientific validity or guarantee outcomes.
Aries. Career. Stay alert to a new opportunity or collaboration. Finance. A balanced approach will help avoid unexpected losses. Love. Be honest, but avoid being harsh in tone. Students. Group discussions may lead to concept clarity. Tip. Observe quietly before making a move. Nt. Taurus. Career. Your stability will inspire others at the workplace. Finance. Time to cut down on non-essential expenses. Love. A thoughtful gesture will mean more than words. Students. Focus on revising earlier chapters rather than learning new ones. Tip. Patience makes results stronger. Gemini. Career. Your multitasking ability will impress your peers. Finance. Keep a close eye on your digital payments and wallet apps. Love. Flirting is fun, but emotional depth builds trust. Students. Combine reading with writing-based practice today. Tip. Flexibility is your strength. Use it wisely. Cancer. Career. Emotional decisions at work may backfire. Stay practical. Finance. Evaluate before making donations or sharing funds. Love. Someone close may need emotional reassurance. Students. Stay hydrated and reduce screen time while studying. Tip. Self-care is not selfish, it's necessary. Leo. Career. Recognition will come if you take responsibility gracefully. Finance. Good time to plan long-term financial goals. Heavy black heart. Love. Romantic mood favors planning something special. Book students. Excellent day to memorize formulas and high weightage points. Electric light bulb tip. Shine, but don't overshadow others. Virgo. Career. Overthinking may delay action. Decide and move forward. Finance. Steady gains from past efforts are possible. Love. Practical support will be more appreciated than emotional words. Students. Prioritize tough numerical or analytical problems today. Tip. Progress over perfection. Like, subscribe, share, and comment your sign. Which prediction matched your experience today? Tell us in comments. Remember, the stars may guide you, but your choices define you. Keep watching for the forecast of rest of the zodiac signs. Libra. Career. Your calm decision-making will impress superiors. Finance. Budgeting will help you avoid pressure later. Love. Harmony can be restored with empathy and patience. Students. Choose a peaceful place to study. Distractions may rise. Tip. Balance creates power. Scorpio. Career. A hidden talent might catch the spotlight. Be ready. Finance. Avoid secretive or undocumented transactions. Love. Speak from the heart. Don't assume your partner knows. Students. You'll be highly focused. Use it for difficult subjects. Tip. Power lies in truth, not mystery. Sagittarius. Career. Adventure and creativity will bring new ideas at work. Finance. Don't spend to impress others. Love. A friendly outing may turn into something more. Students. Try audio-based revision to make learning fun. Tip. Stay curious but grounded. Capricorn. Career. Professional gains possible if you stick to deadlines. Finance. Time to organize your records and documents. Love. Loyalty matters. Acknowledge what's lasting. Students. Today is best for revision, not experimentation. Tip. Consistency beats speed. Aquarius. Career. A creative solution will break workplace tension. Finance. Avoid speculative investments today. Love, respect boundaries, yours and your partner's. Students, work on presentation or writing skills for essay type exams. Tip, your difference is your strength. Pisces. Career, inner vision will guide the outer results, trust it. Finance, charity is noble, but manage your limits. Love, be kind to yourself before seeking validation. Students, calm morning study sessions will improve retention. Tip, stay soft and focused. Like, subscribe, share, and comment your sign. Which prediction matched your experience today? Tell us in comments. And that's your Zodiac Insight for today. Brought to you by OnePlus News. Remember, the stars may guide you, but your choices define you. See you tomorrow same time with tomorrow's forecast. Keep watching Plus One News. Plus One Truth Unfolded.
The zodiac forecasts provided by Plus One News are based on general astrological interpretations. These insights are meant for informational and entertainment purposes only. Personal experiences may vary. We do not claim any scientific validity or guarantee outcomes. Plus One News.